Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the game called Birds Pop Mania Natural 3 Games. So if you don't know what this is, it's basically a mobile app or mobile game. So this is what it looks like. It is very similar to like Candy Crush, when you match the matching colors and then it will clear the entire 3 columns or 3 rows depending if they match all matching color. So this is what it looks like, very similar to Candy Crush. And as you can see, let's read some reviews here. They're currently rated 4.3 out of 5 stars for phone and 4.1 for tablet. So let's read some reviews here. So as you can see, this game is so cute, blah blah blah. So this person said 1 star. Fewer moves do not get you a higher score, or 3 stars as it's described in how to play. On some you get the goal, points, ingredients, birds, but the scoreboard shows you didn't. An ad every single time. Game is frustrating and the game is sluggish, staggers or freezes. So that's typically with the problem with games nowadays, since they're filled with ads. Since if they do not purchase anything in game, they can't make money unless they put ads into the game. That's why there's a lot of ads in games right now. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.